This question is asked in the JEST examination in the year 2017. So the question is, two classical particles are distributed among n greater than 2 sides on a ring. Okay. So if this is a ring, okay, two places like 1 and 2. Okay, remaining how many are there total? Total there are n particles are, okay, n particles are there. Among two particles are here 1 and 2. Okay, each side can accommodate only one particle. So this particle have only one particle, this place can have only one particle, 1 2. If two particle acquires two nearest neighbor sides, so these are neighboring sides, okay, then the energy of the system is increased by epsilon. So this is increased by E and this is increased by E. The average energy, okay, so the average energy of the particle we have to calculate, average energy of the system. So here, so let us write here particles energy. Only these two are increased to E, means what, 0 to E, only these two are increased. Remaining here third particle to this, their energy is equal to 0. Okay, let us call this as energy equal to 0. Okay, now so these two particles have energy E and the remaining 3 to n particles, n minus 3, have energy 0. So the partition function is given by summation e power minus beta ei. So here gi, okay, number of particles, degeneracy. Okay, so degeneracy is 2 here. Two particles are distributed among two sides, no, greater than two sides, so degeneracy is 2. So here two particles, e power minus energy is E, plus n minus 3 particles minus beta, energy is 0. So here it is 2e power minus beta E plus n minus 3, partition function. Okay, what they asked, average energy. So average energy is given by kT square, okay, dou by dou t of ln z. Okay, here kT square dou by dou t of ln z is this, n minus 3 plus 2e power minus beta E. Okay, so here with respect to t, so convert beta equal to 1 by kT. Okay, so here E by kT. So this is constant equal to 0, so remaining these two, right? So here 2 kT square differentiation. Okay, there is ln z, no? Ln z means what? It all will come in the denominator, E by kT. Okay, so remaining differentiating this is 2 kT square, differentiating with respect to t, no? So here minus E by k, differentiation 1 by t is what? 1 by minus 1 by t square e power minus E by kT. So here it is minus and minus plus 2 E kT square will get cancel, e power E by kT by n minus 3 plus 2 e power minus E by kT. So here this is the average energy of the system, and if we match from the options, so here our A option is correct.